All right, guys. All right. Welcome, my dental friends, uh, founders, and practice owner. So, welcome to you, my another live podcast. And you know that I do like to talk about the dental market, dental world, and like being a creative professional when I like dive into the business part and the brand development part. I really excited to learn about this industry, and today I've also like have been like exploring some of the key areas when it comes to like technology is rapidly growing and rapidly incorporating in healthcare and any discipline. So, of course, that we really need to talk about these things. So, I got today to talk about and share about the different aspects of like in AI, artificial intelligence, that how it is incorporating in healthcare, whether it is like patient education, whether it's like practice management and like the patient communication. So all these things that today I have been learning, that some of the tools, some of the technology that have been like I developed, and which is like incredible. So I just wanted to like share with you some of the basic things, some of the things that you may encounter when it comes to like managing your practice. Like at the same time, there is always like some like administrative task. Running a solo practice, it's always, let's say that many skills uh, on top of your head, like it's like many heads on top of your head, right? So hat uh so yeah, so this is what that I today wanted to like talk about. And this is going to be very raw, because I'm also like learning about these things and these tools and techniques, so I can actually recommend you the best solutions or best way possible that I can actually help, which works well and which not work for your practice, right? So first of all, that I want to like little introduce myself here again. That my name is Shubhra Dash, and I do like to talk about the talk about like connecting with doctors and helping them to grow like their private practice. And I like to talk about that how they can build their personal brand. So oftentimes it is like very overwhelming, and then when you like want to chase like your bigger dream, but you know that entrepreneurial journey is a very like alone path, like let's say. So there you really need to like having some sort of purpose, that you need some sort of like intangible power incorporate in your business and your life as well. So their personal brand comes with like purpose and inner alignment. And I know that from my creative background, that how I also have gone through some form of like challenges that was not fulfilling for me. Because of that, I was not following my purposes, because I was like following like a small uh, like I was trying to like comfort zone, let's say, that what I found that something easy for me, and I was like tied into those loop, stuck into that loop, that I was not growing and I was not evolving. And I know that something that I want, I can do. I have a better like big ambitions, bigger dream, but I was like avoiding them. I was not taking full responsibility and accountability of my growth, because the easy way that I can do some freelance work and that way. But in my deep down, that I really wanted to be an like authoritative and thought, leaderships and like leading uh, people, right? So let's say that my ideal audience are like the doctors, because it is related with some of my health issues that I went through in the past. So I really can feel that how that I can uh, do some form of the challenges I faced, how I can actually enhance these sectors. And now that I specifically want to like involved in the dental industry right now, so there I found that this is like a private practice world. So there are also that need some improvements. And I found that here also to learn the business part as well, the behavioral part as well, like psychological spiritual part as well. So I am allowing myself and giving myself to like understand this space, and trying to like connect with some like-minded people, the people already they are like speaking, sharing their journey in this space. So I have truly admired to by looking at their journey. And I found that they have gone through like pretty much like enough struggles at the beginning time when they have started their journey as well. So from that perspective, I'm just freshers. But the um, one thing that I didn't share with you, that which is that I also started my journey, since I'm like, let's say that targeting like different demographics, and I'm different way, different part of different demographics. So I do really feel like here to like I need that what is like really stopping me back, and what the area that first of all that I need to overcome, which is I found that as a thought leader, that communications and leading by example and providing value. And I know that I can like finish these conversations by making a small like short video and short reels. But I don't like to like do that way. But obviously I would look at later that if I can do that. But I want to like keep consistent and stay disciplined in order to improve myself, since you know that voice is an integral part when it comes to shaping our personal brand and position ourselves a skilled or experienced persons in any specific category of career, right? So let's say that you are also running your solo dental office, then you also have to understand that the patient communications, that how important it is more than it is more than like that clinical communication, the procedural like treatment based, brother. It is like more like human centric, more natural way to like building human connection and patient relationships. That sort of way, it's like a more a basic way to like dealing with patients. So these are the things that really need to overcome when it comes to like running our own practices on our offices. So this video is I am just targeting to like solo practice owners and solo small like practice founders, dental founders. So this is going to be related with you, I believe. So I'm just here to like just speak, and I'm just here to like share the ideas that what I have learned and my progresses as well. Because I know that the reputations, that it is so important to like for me. And even it is more important to like stay consistent, because of getting people by known the audience of myself, that I am trying to connect with them, that I'm the responsible for their growth as well. So from that perspective, you may also if you think that this is there, I feel like that here I am making it a little bit of much express, but yes, of course, elaborating the things. But that I'm just want to clarify here that at the beginning, that I'm just here to also like sharing all of this live podcast. I'm holding this space for myself, for my self improvement. At the same time, that I will leave, I'll highlighting the key areas, highlighting the key uh, idea that I wanted to share with you through writing, uh, uh, through like my video. So I hope that you will learn it. So let's talk about like real challenges and the innovations now that we are all introduced. We have all known that the AI is rapidly implementing and integrating in the business, in any business. And dental industry also, dental world also, it is integrating so far. So first of all, that I can see some friends, they have joined there. So I can see with Paul Shah, so he has shared with me a light and good night. Okay, so you can go to sleep, but I have to finish this video. Thanks for joining here. And okay, so here we want to speak the real thing that about the AI. So this is um, like digital, uh, like a machine, right? It is like an intangible machine, and it is a software, right? Software based applications, that kind of I would say that kind of machine. So if we want to break down this the concept of this AI, I'm covering that from basic, because what I really understand, and I know that a lot of freshers and solo practice owners, even so, I'm just want to break down that the basic thing, the simple things, that how do I really understand this the same. Because of that, this is for the beginner level of practice owners. So they also need to break down this, the freshers and new generations of business owners, practice owners. So sometimes we really don't know that the basic concept of this kind of tools and the applications, right? So from that perspective, if I want to break down this, so this is like an automation machine, right? So when it comes to doing repetitive tasks, so their automation technology or a automation intelligence, it actually works. It's like putting the human kind of human, the way that human brain functions, and kind of procedure, kind of task that we do follow over and over again. And it when software, it takes all the data, and they do perform on certain space. So this is and that's why it's called like an artificial intelligence, technology. So here you can use it in every area, in every business area. And uh, of course dentistry as well. So there the certain part that it actually works, let's say that if I want to mention it, if I want to share with you, the three thing might be very repeatedly I can see that it has been using. So first of all, that it is for the front or desk phone call receiving, and the phone call patient experience, communications like booking on phone. So these are the area that, let's say that some of you as a solo practice owners, you cannot afford extra staff, right? So you as a beginner, that how you can actually use these tools that will perform as a natural language, or he has this expertise. The machine has the expertise of like dealing with the patient appointment, and it sounds like it very natural, and very effectively it can done the appointment and the customer patient phone call and the journey. It can also like give so much like pricing and services uh, details when the patients actually ask about the treatment. So this is like the first thing that you can like think, consider to like think about to integrate or incorporate in your practice, like AI receptionist, right? So there are the and the second benefit, it would be, let's say that you problem it's happened because the receptionist, maybe the fresh receptionist, they are not well trained to what how to like um, how to like deal with that situation. And sometimes that we don't have they don't have enough time to like receiving, let's say that some emergency time they are not present in the office situation. And like in this part, that AI actually it works for you like 24 hours, all right? So it can like tackle many call at a time. So you just need to like think about that way, that how you can actually leverage these tools that is built for the patient communications, and ultimately you will able to book more appointment and uh, convert more patients, right? And since it is like a natural way of connecting with the patients and guiding them throughout the appointment and scheduling journey. So even that like insurance, they can also guide through the process of like insurance management or insurance dealing as well, if your practice has support the insurance as well. So they can actually help that way to like managing insurance file as well. So you definitely you have to look at these functions, look at these features, look at these tools when it comes to like phone front desk or phone receptionist, front desk receptionist. So AI is like your best choice in order to like improve your um, patient booking rate. So you know that people love to like, before they like get that treatment done, they like to like talk about this. And sometimes people, they until they find some form of like urgency, some form of like their pain is like emergency situations, they don't like to like make a call. So the call is very important. Otherwise if you like miss out, uh, so you will like miss out that opportunity to like booking more patients and lose your profit. So that's the first thing that you can consider to integrate AI and patient communications, right? And the second thing, that the patient educations and the diagnostic part, we can see that there are several things that integrated right now, the AI tools has comes up. So let's say that how you like, there are something that the conventional way we have like described the problem, described the issues. So now that AI that they has all the built-in like way, that they have more effective way, they you can actually explain to the patients, and they can also see the visual imagery, that how it will look like. Let's say that someone wants to do some form of like implant, and how they that will look like when they will like get this treatment. So you can uh, show them like and demonstrate them that this is the way they that will transform, and it will look like, and immersively it will like improve the beautifulness that a smile will look like, right? So that's that sense that you can really utilize this kind of tools, that they are highly advanced to know about, detect the problem, and at the same time they can create the prototype. And you must to like use this. And this is kind of like apps or the software, so there you can actually give them, so they can also check them out themselves, that how they will get the benefit actually. So this is like a great option for you to want integrating these AI tools, right? I don't want to like recommend any kind of AI tools right now. I'm still like also like understanding this kind of concepts. I'm still trying to learn about this, how this works. Though I have like connected with some of the like AI agents, right? But I'm just trying to learn, since I am like learning from this from last 2 days, from the branding purposes, that what I missed, that this AI is now like living with like and it is like drastically helping us, our human like patient care and our practice, managing our cost like affordable way. At the same time, like it is spacing, freeing our like time. In less time, we have a free time that we can actually do other stuff, right? So that sense that we really need to know about. At the same time, that it is very uh, like staff sense, that you see that there are like practices, they are really struggles to find that staff. So it can be an option, right? So you can use this until you get that your staff. So of course that we are human side, and we need everything, but the machines are the something that we can keep with us. And this is like becoming now integral part of our life, right? So when we like make it like the machines, give them also like humanize it like through our branding, right? So people are going to much more likely to interest in it, much more likely to like feel the connections about it. It will not feel like that you are using any machine, but it becomes much more intuitive, right? So I'm just exploring that some of the AI essence and AI tools for the dentistry and dental world. So uh, I'm just checking out that how actually I can actually not just thinking about that how branding can actually shape that and humanize it more better way, and it would not feel like that you are using machine. But we just don't need to like emphasize this part that you are using these machines, because you need tools, some form of tools, when it comes to fixing any problem issues, right? So just we need to focus on what matters, right? AI actually, it is kind of tools, it is kind of technology, right? And there are some form of technology, it is like it will be always evolving. Like we will have some like physical tools for your practice, right? There you don't need like integrating any kind of like digitalizations or kind of like revolutionary technology, but it's still fixing the problem, right? So I would say that we don't need to like create hype like that sense, but think like a smart way to that how actually it can decrease your like cost, at the same time that it free up your time, right? So and you can like solve the problem effectively using these tools. And of course that there are so many like every AI tools, they in the past that you have been using, now they are all integrating the AI functions, right? So you can create content, marketing content as well. So you can also manage your practice. So you have been like using this kind of like tools, you have been using like CRM or customer relationship management tools. So even that many other like tools that you have been using, the insurance companies software. So now they all have been like integrating everything in like AI, in like connecting the AI features as well. So just knowing about those things, that how you can actually take these things and just the managing things and understanding, I mean to say that operating this kind of digital um, like AI softwares, it's also requires to understand about these products, right? So if you can't understand these products, so there you will require now to manage understanding this software. So though like there are agents out there, so they will manage do this stuff, so you have to do pay them for the for for their service, right? So yeah, that there is, these are the things that I do really wanted to like speak, because the in the earlier that kind of um, software you has been using, now they are like innovating that such way that they also have that AI integration, so that you can actually do you have that power to like, when it comes to like marketing things, that you have that creative power that you can generate contents yourselves. And the most coolest thing that I have found on the like phone call, like receptionist, like reception area, that custom patients communications. So these are the things that really interesting for me, that you can actually like train it the such way, the natural way, that you actually increase your booking rate. This was really interesting for me. So I highly recommend that you understand these concepts, though I will bring some of the tools and some of the AI agents, that if I am possibly trying to connect with them, and then I'm gonna like test this out, and then I will like share with you that you can use this for your practice. So yeah, so that's what that I today wanted to share with you. I made this video long. I'm sure that you guys are feeling boring, but I just wanted to like make it long, make wanted to like speak, and wanted to show up, right? And yeah, lots of like ideas, lots of like collaboration that we need to do. And the a final thing that I would like to uh, like remind you, that if you are like trying to like start your solo practice, or if you are trying to like any kind of help like for your personal brand, and I would love to like chat with you, and I would love to learn about the like your dental practice life, right? And the challenges and the dream that you are like actually thinking of right now, and you are not finding the right partner to share with you. I would love to like chat with you and understand the challenges, and how we can like position your business, position your brand, how we can tell better story that eventually lead us to like convert more loyal patients, and you just get the substantial growth over time, and without like burning out, without losing your soul, some sort of things. And yeah, that's what for today. And I hope you found something useful. So I would love to hear. Feel free to share any kind of, if you have any opinions, if you have any comments, any contents, or any kind of topic that you want to um, know about. I will like share with you in the next video. So thank you so much for joining here, and have a good night. Bye bye.